Hey guys, it's Elite Equity, and today is April 12th. I'm gonna give you guys a quick stock market recap. As you can tell, I'm in my garage gym right now that I built. It's a little messy right now, but I'll give you guys a full tour later on. So today, as you guys can tell, SPY, the overall market only fell about 0.5%, which is not bad at all. Growth stocks, high-tech growth stocks are still taking a dump. I truly believe, like I've always been saying, index fund is the way to go. If you just invest into like SPY, VOO, VTI, sorry, that's for the train noise. SPY, VOO, VTI, if you just invest into index fund, dollar cost average every single Friday, that's when people usually buy in. And a lot of people sell, so it's actually that's what they say. It's a good price every Friday to buy in. So every Friday, just put a few $100 into it. You'll do good in the long run, because picking individual stocks is really, really extremely hard, and you gotta have the stomach for it. Because as you guys can tell, these last 2 years, everyone that was holding Doge at 50 cents, or picking these little stocks like Clove at 15, and now it's at like $4. So it's really tough. You need to have the stomach for it, and you got to hope for the long term. If you believe in the business, the CAGR in the industry is high. Revenues are growing quarter after quarter, and you see the leadership in the team is actually growing. They show strong charisma. You hone in on their earnings call, and you see that they, can potentially find value. They see they have cash in hand, and they're really good leader. Like the team leadership is number one. The leadership board is number one, and they show like every individual person in the team that they want to actually grow the business and not here just for profit taking. So overall, the stock market is a little down. I would just say buy the stocks you believe in. Stick with your trading plan, your investing plan especially. I'm more of an investor myself. I'm holding for the long run, long-term capital gains. I don't care if there's a recession, I'll buy more. 5, 10 years later, 20 years later, I'm looking at all these stocks anyways. It doesn't matter to me. Personally, I'm bullish on CleanSpark. It's a Bitcoin mining company. You guys should really look into that. And CleanSpark will I really think it's profitable. It's like around a few $100 million market cap. It's gonna blow up because 2024 Bitcoin halving. If you're a Bitcoin bull, you do know Bitcoin's gonna go up. It follows the S2F stock to flow model, and it's finite. And I think CleanSpark mining it in such a profitable way, literally their cost is so low, and they're making like $40,000 a coin, and they're making around 300 coins per month. They're making so much money. So if you guys hold it for the long run, CleanSpark will be fine. So that's my stock of the day. And overall, crypto, I'm always bullish. I believe in Luxo. I'm gonna have a full detailed explanation on that. And next up is the real estate market. Right now, interest rates are going up. This is the first time in the real estate market that we're seeing interest rates going up and prices are not falling. That's because houses in general, the supply is really low, demand is really high, so house prices still are stable. Usually 1%, every percent that interest rates go up by 1%, 10% of the house value actually falls. But this is the first time we're not seeing that, which is insane. It's a one-time event, and we have to see updates on that. Right now, I'm kind of in the middle / bearish on the housing market. I wouldn't personally buy a house because interest rates are so high now, 4 or 5%. I have it in 3%, and it wouldn't make sense to buy a house. So that being said, because you have a 5% interest rate, your mortgage payment is gonna be higher than having 3% interest rate. So I would stay away from that now. Mark Cuban always says, I'd rather wait multiple years, many years, for the bottom of the stocks, bottom of the real estate market to go in. So right now I would just build cash, hold on, wait for opportunities, and then go in. Then you have massive returns, right? You want the bottom of things. Why do you want to buy now when you're not sure? So 2020 was opportunity, and there will be another one soon, whenever it is. Wait, build cash, and if there's stocks you believe in, businesses that are growing, go into those. That's it for Elite Equity. I'm going to give you guys a stock market recap almost every single day. I hope you guys have a great week, and Elite Equity out. See ya.